So how far do you have to hike?
Over here?
Uh-huh.
Not that far. Oh, just halfway. Halfway. It's not that bad. It's not that far. Before you know, you get there. Yeah, this radio gonna be you worry about.
Huh?
You worry about.
So, guys, aakitin namin yung ano na yan. Aakitin namin yung bundok na yan. Yun o, pakita ko sa inyo. Yun. Good luck sa amin.